Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I just wanted to make a bike check because everybody else out there has one. So, here's my bike. Just put it together the other day, or at least with the new Nathan Williams Mothership frame. Of course. Alright. Well, yeah, this is the Nathan Williams Mothership in 20.8. It says down here. I've got the both Macniel primary cassette and fronts. Macniels. They're both the front and the back. Riding some Odyssey Twombolts. Cranks are amazing. They're just so hard to get on and off. Yeah, it took me at least an hour or so to get them just off. Got the Shadow forks. Fork. Shadow Vultus fork and the Shadow Vultus bars on 8.25 rise. Took the stickers off because, well, my friend got the exact same thing and I didn't want to look like him. Some ODIs. This fork is really nice, but the compression bolt at the very top strips out really fast, so I got just like an aftermarket little tree one. I'm pretty sure this stem is a stolen Convect stem. FSA headset. Odyssey BBs. The Shadow Scream Sprocket. Got riding some of these Odyssey Twisted. Got the Odyssey Pivotal, the wolf seat. Thing's so sexy. Altogether, I think everything kind of just fits. I don't know if you guys are supposed to do tires, but I got the Odyssey K-Lyte and then the I think that says Overtaker, yeah. So yeah, that's my bike. My ghetto stars in the front. Thing's pretty incredible. Weighs in, I think, at like 20 pounds. Alright, YouTubers. Guess I'll see you at the parks. Bye-bye.